Okay, so the decibel unit is important in amplifier measurement. The decibel is measurement of the ratio of one power to okay. The decibel unit important in amplifier measurement. The decibel is measurement of the ratio of one power to another or one voltage to another. Power gain is expressed in decibel dB. It is a formula AT in dB equals 10 times log AT. And the voltage gain expressed in decibel dB AV equals 20 times log AV. 0 dB therefore the maximum gain equals mid-range gain 5 dB 0 dB value. The critical frequency. Okay. You also know that the cutoff frequency. Okay. Or corner frequency or break frequency. At this frequency, the output power drops to 1/2 of its mid-range. AC in dB equals 3 minus dB. Okay. Remember, at this frequency, output power drop 1/2. Okay. Of its mid-range. Also, at this frequency, output voltage is 70.7% of its mid-range. AV in dB equals 20 times log 0.707 equals minus 3 dB. dBm power measurement. A unit that is often in measuring power is dBm. Okay? The term dBm means decibel reference to 1 milliwatt of power. When dBm is used on power measurement relative to a reference level of 1 milliwatt, and this is a formula to calculate the EMF related to the watt per milliwatt per kilowatt. dBm equals 10 times log P divide 1 milliwatt. Okay. Now, try to show you. We get a 30 dBm equal how many watt? Okay, you understand in general, in most of the companies, they get two different lab, electronic lab, and also they call it RF lab, radio frequency. Okay, in the radio frequency, they will be working with the most of the signal travel in the air. Okay, so in the RF lab, when they measure, they not using watt, milliwatt, kilowatt, but they using the unit will be dBm. We not deal with dBm. We don't know anything about dBm. However, when we're talking about power, we're talking about milliwatt, watt, kilowatt, okay, and more. Same thing for the voltage. So everything in the RF lab, they using unit will be dBm. So that's why we have to convert it, okay, from the dBm to watt or milliwatt. And now the example, they given you 30 dBm, and they really want to know how many watt really are equivalent to 30 dBm. Now see what we try to do. dBm. This is a formula. Okay, we just get 10 times log of power peak. dy divide 10 milliwatt and equal 30 milliamp dBm. Therefore, now you take a log only. So equal 30 divide 10. And you get 3. Okay. Now, we need to end the log. We take 3 by 1 milliwatt. Okay. So we want to take anti-log 3 10 power 3. That's equal 1,000. Therefore, P equal 1 milliwatt times 1,000 equal 1,000 milliwatt or equal watt. That is a way to convert it dBm to watt, milliwatt, kilowatt, and so on. Okay, the next one, they want to add 1 dBm to another 1 dBm. Okay, they already telling you you cannot add dBm to dBm. So basically, if you want, then you have to convert dBm, okay, to milliwatt, whatever. Then, after you convert it, dBm to what milliwatt, then now you can add it, no problem, for what milliwatt, kilowatt. And after you add it, and now you have to convert it back into dBm. Then you say they want to add 1 dBm to 1 dBm. dBm equal 10 times log of P1 over 1 milliwatt. And that equals 1 dBm. Okay? Therefore, okay, you take the log of P1 over 1 milliwatt, okay, is equal 1 divided 10 equal 0 watt. Okay? Now, anti-log. That means you take the log out. P1 over 1 milliwatt equal 10 power of 0 watt. So you get 1.26. Okay? So P1 equal 1 milliwatt. Okay? Ah, 126. That gives it to you. 126 milliwatt. Okay? Again, we cannot add dBm to dBm. You want to do then 1 dBm to what milliwatt kilowatt. Then you add it, no problem. And after you add it, you have to convert it back into dBm. Okay? In here, you anti-log, okay, P1 over 1 milliwatt equal 10 power of 0.1. You get 1.26. Okay? Then P1 equal 1 milliwatt times 126. You get 126 milliwatt. Same calculation for P2. Okay? And P2 you can get also 1.26 milliwatt. Now you add it, P1, P2. You get 2.52 milliwatt. Okay? So, you take the dBm. dBm equal 10 times log, okay, of Joule by 52 milliwatt divided 1 milliwatt. And you get 4.01 dBm. Okay? Also, cannot add dB watt to dB watt or dB volt to dB volt. Not then to watt or volt, then add convert back to dB watt or dB volt. And this is a formula. What dB watt equal 10 times log of 3 over 1 watt dB volt transfer log of 3 over 1 volt. Okay? Now, I try to show you a little more here. Okay, you get they want 1 dBm. Add to 1 dBm. Okay, we cannot add 1 dBm to 1 dBm. So you have to convert it 1 dBm into watt milliwatt kilowatt. Okay, then you can add. Okay, so first thing you know the formula for dBm is dBm equal. Okay, and time log of 3 power divide 1 milliwatt. Okay, this is the formula. And now they say adding 1 dBm. This will be 1 dBm. Okay, and now you want to take log only. You can see 10 times log of V1 over 1 milliwatt. Okay, then you see you get log only. Okay, V1 over 1 milliwatt equal. Okay, 1/10. Okay, now that will be 1 milliwatt. Okay, so now anti-log. That means you can get V1. Okay, 1 milliwatt equal 1/10, 0.1. Okay, anti-log. Okay, that means you can get V1. Okay, 1 milliwatt equal 10 power 0.1. Okay, then V1 1 milliwatt Okay. Then of 0.1 equal 1 line. That's it. 1 to 3. Okay. Power equal 1.26. B equal 1 milliwatt. 1.26. Okay. 1.26. One point milliwatt. So B1 equal 1.26 times 1 milliwatt. Okay. So B1 equal 1.26 milliwatt. And the same way to do calculation, you can get V2 1.26 milliwatt. Then you can add it V1. Add in V2. You get 2.52. Milliwatt. Okay. So you get a milliwatt. You convert into dBm. Okay. 10 times log 2.52 milliwatt. Okay. So that gives you 4.01 dBm. Okay.